Good evening, all. In the previous video, in the previous class, we were discussing about FEMA or Foreign Exchange Management Act. And in the last class, we learned about the introduction and the applicability of Foreign Exchange Management Act. And today we are going to see the difference between or what led to Foreign Exchange Management Act or the change of FERA to FEMA. So, in the previous class, we came across a term called FERA, that is Foreign Exchange Regulatory Act. And we learned that the word FEMA arose from, the name FEMA came from FERA. Now, what were the changes which happened in FERA which were renamed as FEMA in future? The first thing was the provisions of the Act. The provisions of the Foreign Exchange Regulatory Act was made liberal under Foreign Exchange Management Act in 1999. So previous to FEMA, in FERA, the rules and regulations for import and export, foreign exporting and foreign importing was very tough. And these regulations were made liberal in FEMA. The second thing was FERA was limited to certain areas of the country only. That is the provisions, the rules and regulations, the provisions which are laid by FERA was applicable to certain places of the country. But in 1991, this was changed to FEMA and it was extended to each and every area of the country, the whole of India. And also, another difference is that FEMA is a policy which has a particular human value, which considers human values, which is natural in nature. That is, it is more liberal. And many restrictions were also taken off under FEMA. FERA had so many restrictions in foreign exchange, and these restrictions were made liberal or taken away under Foreign Exchange Management Act or FEMA.